Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So we will use three application, CapCut, KineMaster and BN. So open your CapCut application. So this is our video. Hope you like this simple tutorial and don't forget to subscribe. If you like my video, just give me a thumbs up. If you don't like my video, just give me a thumbs down. So first create a video like this, then cut the other video, or we will remove the unwanted video. Then split here, click the video, then split, then delete, click the plus sign, then input the effect. So you can check the description and download it guys. So this is very simple tutorial. So that's it. And now we will open the KineMaster. Next we will use KineMaster application. So don't forget to subscribe guys. Open your KineMaster application. So this is our video, same video guys. I will use same video. So split the unwanted video or delete, click the video, same video. I use the same video. So split, click the video, then go to trim. So click the video again, then go to trim or split, and then click media, then video, input the effect. So that's it guys. This is KineMaster application. Parang okay naman na siya tingnan. I-adjust na lang natin. So this is the result. And then after this one, I will use VN application. Then click export or save. Now the last is VN application. So same video guys. This is our video. You can add transition. We will add transition here guys. I like VN application to use the add transition. So split here, click the video, then split, then delete. And then same as usual, click the video, then split and delete the other video. Delete this portion, then delete also this portion, then click the plus sign, and then this is the effect. So click between the two videos, then go to dissolve. Use dissolve 1 or dissolve 2, so it's up to you guys. So that's it. This is very simple tutorial. Hope you like my video and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. See you.